Hey everyone, it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today is Tuesday, so that means it's the YouTubers Nail Art Weekly Stamping Collabs, and the host for this week is actually me. So I'm hosting this one, and the theme I came up with is something new. So this could be like anything you really wanted it to be. I just wanted you to use a plate that you've never used before, preferably something that still have the blue film on. So a lot of the ladies said they had tons of plates that they could go through, so I thought this was a great theme to be able to use some of your new stuff that you haven't used before. So like always, I will have all of the ladies' pictures at the very end of the video, and I will have their links down below in the description box, so be sure to check out everyone. They always do an awesome job. And if you're coming over from one of their channels, welcome. I hope you like what you see, and I hope that you subscribe as well. So we're going to go ahead and get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you what is currently on my nails. So first off, I'm using painted polish. This is by Lexi. This is Blankets and Bonfires. It's a nice purple with like some flakies, some bronze and red and gold kind of flake in there. Really, really pretty. So that I have on my nails. I think I have 2 or 3 coats on there for 4 of my nails. And then on my ring finger, I have a mix of this polish, also by Painted Polish. This one is Zombie Kill of the Week. I got this from the polish pickup. I think it was October, I can't really remember. And then I also have this one here. This is Painted Polish as well, and this one is called Luna, also from the polish pickup. Also, I think I got this one January, can't quite remember. And then I'm going to be stamping with Moyou London, and this is Frosted Lake. I got this in my Manny box. And I'm also going to be stamping with Born Pretty Store, and this one is the White Knight series, and this is in Fire. So those are the polishes I'm going to be using. And then stamping plate is from Moyou London. This is the Crystal Collection, a 01. That is a really neat plate. This is from Moyou London, and this was from my Manny box as well. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the video. I'm just gonna do speeding up because I kind of have a cold right now and I don't really want to keep talking, so I'm just gonna do it speeding up. So hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the end.
And that is the finished nail design. I hope that you guys like it. I think it turned out pretty well. I liked using all these products. I wasn't 100% about the moyou London stamping polish, but I'll have to definitely try it again. But yeah, so that's everything. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.